How to fix Messenger story not showing problem. So if you're facing a problem with Messenger stories, then what you have to do is, first of all, you have to open up your Messenger application. And here, after opening your Messenger, now you can go to the upper left corner, which has the 3-bar icon, and then you can go to settings, which is on the upper right corner, and now scroll down, and here you will have privacy and safety option. Simply tap on that, and then on the last option here you will have story controls. Go to story controls, and under your story controls you will have stories you've muted. Simply tap on that, and now I have not muted anyone's story, but if you have muted their story, then that might be a reason why you're not being able to see some Messenger stories. So that's one reason. And if this still doesn't fix your issue, then you have to go to your phone settings, and after opening your settings, now you can go to apps and notifications, and then tap on see all apps, and here go and find Messenger, and after opening Messenger, here you will have storage and cache option. Simply tap on that, and then tap on clear cache, and this might fix your problem. But if this still doesn't fix your problem, then open up your Play Store, and then here on the search bar you have to search for Messenger, and here instead of this open option, if you have an update option, you can simply tap on update, and then you have to update your Messenger application. So these were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.